The food of paradise. In this short story, a man stumbles upon an unexpected fortune in the form of divine food, which leads him to reflect on the nature of faith, luck, and divine providence. It explores the idea that blessings can come in surprising forms. The food of paradise explores into moral and philosophical themes related to desire, fulfillment, and genuine happiness. It portrays a heavenly feast representing righteousness and devotion, highlighting the significance of spiritual nourishment rather than material satisfaction. The story highlights and gives us to consider the nature of pleasure and the search for higher purpose, stressing the importance of living a virtuous life and maintaining a connection with the divine. The Food of Paradise explores themes of faith and finding blessings by trusting in a higher power. The story encourages readers to value gratitude, showing that even small gifts can have great meaning. It emphasizes the importance of keeping hope and faith in God, especially during tough times, and reminds us that God is our main source of comfort and help when everything else fails. With the focus on religion, the tale discourages questioning God's plans even when life seems unfair. Instead, it suggests good deeds turning to prayer for guidance.